Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. In this module, we are going to learn how to calculate the current ratio of a company. Current ratio equal to current assets divided by current liability. Current ratio is the proportion of current assets to current liabilities. Current ratio is also known as working capital ratio. It measures the capability of a business to meet its short term obligations that are due within a year. The ratio considers the weight of total current assets versus total current liabilities. It indicates the financial health of a company and how it can maximize the liquidity of its current assets to settle debts and payables. The current ratio formula can be used to easily measure a company's liquidity. Current ratio equal to current assets divided by current liability. The ideal current ratio of a company is 2 is to 1. Current assets includes cash balance, bank balance, cash equivalents, marketable securities, account receivable, bill receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses, accrued income, short term investments, marketable securities, etc. Current liabilities includes accounts payable, notes payable, accrued expenses, deferred revenue expenses, bills payable, outstanding expenses, provision for taxation, advance tax, bank overdraft, short term loans, income received in advance, etc. A very high current ratio means high investment in current assets. The standard current ratio equals to 2 is to 1. Now we are going to solve one problem. If a business holds cash of rupees 15 million, marketable securities of 20 million, inventory of 25 million, short term debt 15 million, accounts payable 15 million. Calculate current ratio. For solving this problem, first we have to write the equation or formula for calculating current ratio. First write the equation. Current ratio equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. In this question, current assets includes cash balance, marketable securities and inventory. So current assets equal to cash balance plus marketable securities plus inventory. The various current liabilities are short-term debt and accounts payable. Now we are going to solve the problem. Current assets equal to 15 million plus 20 million plus 25 million equal to rupees 60 million. Current liabilities equal to 15 million plus 15 million equal to 30 million. Then again write the equation. Current ratio equal to current assets divided by current liability. Current assets of 60 million divided by current liability of 30 million. The net amount equal to 2 is to 1. The ratio is 2 is to 1. 60 million divided by 30 million equal to 2 is to 1. This is the current ratio of this company. The next step for solving this problem is write the analysis and interpretation of this data. The standard accounting ratio is 2 is to 1. In this company, the standard ratio equal to 2 is to 1. That means the financial position, that is the liquidity position of this particular company is sound. Company have sufficient amount to repay the debts of the company. Accounts payable and short-term debts are the important current liabilities of the company. The ratio equal to 2 is to 1. That means company have sufficient funds to make the payment of short-term debts and accounts payable. Dear children, this is the method for calculating current ratio. Thank you.